Hello friends, welcome back to another interesting session of UiPath.
So today we will learn what is string variable and how it works. String variable. We will learn what is string variable, how to use string, also we will know how to pass string as an argument. So let's jump in. We will first take one process. Let's name it as variables. Under this, let's open our main workflow. In that, start with a sequence. In sequence, let's get one input dialog box. We will take the username. That is our default title of that input dialog box, and this is the input label. Write your first name. Text box. Another property is we are creating one output variable. Control K, str first name. Pardon. Done. Now, if we take one message box, in that we are passing that variable. Let's save this, run the program. Write your first name. I type my name. Let's click OK. So this is the output. Now let's do a concatenation with string variable. Let's take one more input dialog box. Last name. Input label. Write your last name. Come to properties, value, Control K, str last name. Done. Now after taking those two names, I want to do a concatenation. Hello plus str first name plus str last name. Now let's see how it is working. Sanjoy, my first name. Last name SR. Hello Sanjay SR. So it's successfully accepting and passing the variables to a message box, and we also learned how to concatenate. And one important thing, as this one is a string variable, so while we are putting into message box, we are not using toString or anything else because this one already is a string variable. Now we will pass this variable as an argument to another workflow. Let's take one more sequence. passing argument. We are initiating with a sequence. We are creating a variable here. Str age. We are giving a default value of 40. We are creating one more variable as str text as string. Now we will use an assign activity as str text and str age dot toString. Here we are creating argument if name and hill name. We will write here we can maximize this for your convenience. Hi if name ill name your age is str age dot toString. Now this str text will put as a message box. Oh, this scope needs to be enhanced. You come here, sequence and passing argument, the broader scope. Now we can have it. str text. Now we will come back to main. Now in your project folder you can see your passing argument available. You just drag it here. Click import arguments. Here you can see those two arguments are available here. We just need to map with our available variables. str first name, str last name. Okay. We are removing this message box. So our next message box will appear from task 2. Now we will know that how to pass a variable as an argument to another task. Let's run this. Now you can see the first name, last name along with your age. This text box we are having from that second task. So thanks for watching. Keep watching for more interesting videos. Thank you very much.